Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discussed about DCET examination 2023, Diploma Common Entrance Test 2023. This is booklet version code A4. Maximum marks 100 marks, total duration 200 minutes, maximum time for answering 180 minutes. Next, first question now. First question is, which of the following is not a cyber crime? Is not cyber crime means first cryptography, next Daniel service, next man in the middle attack. D option is phishing. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ cryptography is not a cyber crime. Next question. Next question. Which Next question. DOS is abbreviated as first option Daniel of service, distribution of service, C is distribution of service, D is Daniel of server. Option A is Daniel of service. This is the answer of second question. Next, third question now. Dash protects interconnected system including hardware, software and programs and data from cyber attack. Option A is cyber security, option B is computer security, option C is resource security, option D is hardware security. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Nodri, protect interconnected system including hardware, software and programs and data from cyber attack. Nodri, what is cyber security? Cyber security protects your system. Next, fourth question. Basics functionality of network device firewall is, first option is scans mobile application, option B is monitoring database, option C is privatizes the computers, option D is monitoring incoming and outgoing networks. Question number 4 answer is D, monitoring incoming and outgoing networks. What is firewall? Firewall monitoring the incoming and outgoing networks. Next question is fifth. An algorithm represent in the form of programming language is called, first option is flowchart, second option is pseudocode, C option is program, D option is instruction. Fifth question answer is C, program. Algorithm represent is the form of programming language. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step solution to solve complex problems. Next, sixth question. The dash symbol is used to when flowchart is starting or ending. First option is connector or arrow. Option B is terminal box rounded rectangle. C is input output. D is process. Question number 6 option is B, terminal box rounded rectangle. This symbol starting or ending. Next, seventh question. MITF inventor allows user to first A. Create web application, B. Build Android application, C. Create system software, D. Develop operating system. Seventh question answer is B. Build Android application. Next question, eighth question. What is the function of the when green flag clicked? Common command block. A. Option A is points sprite in the specified direction. Option B is in if condition is true runs the block inside. Option C runs the script. Option D stops the execution of script. Question number 8 answer is C runs the script. Question number 9. The correct sequence of HTML tags for starting a web page is option A add title HTML body, option B HTML add title body, option C HTML body title add, option D HTML title add body. Ninth question number answer is B. First to HTML, next head, other next title, after that body. Next question is 10th question. Web server. Option A is a computer system that delivers web pages. Option B is delivery news. Next, option C provides options for those seeking real-time discussions. Option D is prints documents. Question number 10th. Answer is A. Answer is A. Is a computer system that delivers web pages. Next question, 11th question. Which of the following is used to style the appearance of the web pages? Option A ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ HTML, second JavaScript, third PHP, fourth one CSS. Option 11th is D. This is style appearance of the web pages. 12th question now. Which of the following is an example of web browser? First one, A option is Google, B option is Firewall, C option is Apache, D option is MySQL. Option 12th is B. Firefox is a web browser. Next question, 13th question. Which of the following is an open source and free workflow management software? Option A Trello, option B is MS Excel, C is Windows, D is Linux. 13 questions answer is A. A question Trello. 14th question, ERP packages will be handle dash business functionality or functionalities. Option A is 1, option B 2, C is 3, D is multiple or all. 14th question answer is D, multiple or all. Next, 15th question. Dash is the visual diagram of company that describes what employees do, whom they report to, and how decisions are made across the business. First option physical structures, second organization structure, third one logical structures, D hybrid structures. Question number 15th answer is B organizational structure. Question number 16th. Dash is the methodology used in system analysis to identify, clarify, and organization system requirements. First in workflow, second use case, third one algorithm, fourth one software. 16th question answer is B is the correct answer, use case. 17th question, which of the following is not an application of IoT? Option A is web browser, option B is smart home, C is smart city, D is self driven cars. Question number 17th answer is A, web browser is not a application of IoT. Smart home is IoT device, smart city is also IoT application, self driven car also IoT. Web browser is not a application of IoT. 18th question is, which of the following is not a cloud service option? First option VASS, IaaS, third one FASS, D1 SaaS. 18th question answer is A, VASS. Is it is not a cloud service option. IaaS, this is also service, cloud service. This is also cloud service. This is also cloud service. SSA means software as a service, internet as a service. Question number 19th. How many types of services are offered by cloud computing to the users? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿ 4, ಸಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿ 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 3 types of services are offered by cloud computing to the users. Next, 20th question, combination of public and private deployment is called. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಐಫರ್, ಸಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 20th ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಡೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು IT ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ F3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.